Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am showing an exercise in AutoCAD how to create an MEP coordination drawing using XRFs and other things. So I have done 2-3 videos before that how to set up the coordination drawings in or maybe coordination drawing using AutoCAD. So here also I am showing some exercise how to set the coordination layout in AutoCAD. So here it is the legends for whichever systems we have. So this is the system for the HVAC systems, and another one is the water supply. So which are the color which we using for the water supply pipes and the legends, then the drainage, then we have electrical layouts and some firefighting things also. So first of all, this is the one of the floor plan we using to the coordination. This is a, for example, this is a ground floor. So this is architecture file. So we need to insert our all the XRFs over here. So how to set up the XRFs, I will show you. I'm going for one folder. So this is our working model, and this is the top drawings. So I just want to change actually this one no need. So I'm just changing this one. This is a lighting layout. So I just want to change the name XRF, okay, lighting. So then the power. So that is also I just want to rename XRF. So first of all, you just make it like that, rename like this. All the XRFs you can make it like that. And here also I'm just renaming XRFs. This is AC layout, and this one is the smoke ventilation layout, and this is the uh, ventilation drawing XRF, and this is the water supply. This is the water supply. So like that we can create the model. First, I need to open the one of the water supply model drawing. So this is the water supply drawing. So I want to clean this shop drawing. So I'm just deleting all the things. So we don't want to the things like this. So we are just deleting all the things from here. I don't want to unwanted things. So I'm just making one rectangle over here. So I just want to make a, this is the basement. Somewhat it will not come to the exact point. So then we can delete that one. After that, I don't want this the background. Okay, so just background I want to delete. So just unlocking that one. So this is our the water supply model, and I'm just deleting unwanted things. Control A and select delete that one and purge it first. After attaching that one, just uh, purge the drawing. So just to purge it. So unwanted layers and other things it will be go. So first we created one of the water supply XRFs. So after that you can go to the our working model. This is our working model. So we need to insert our XRFs over here. So for that, what we can do, just XR and go to attach drawing. Then where you kept this the file. So I'm just kept at the file location in MEP coordination top drawings. So first of all, I just want to attach this one. So I'm just attaching this one. Just click open and overlay. These settings are fine. Then click OK. So what will happen? This model was come up over here like this. So I just want to change some option. Instead of display, I just want to reduce that one so it will getting more clear. So you can see here, this is the model for the water supply. So you can check here, it was located exactly in the drawing. And after that, we just need to go to another file. I'll just open the another working file. I'm just closing this one. And then another next file is the ventilation. So I just opening the ventilation file, and I want to go to here, and I just want to clean it all the things and unlock this one. Levy unlock the architecture I want to delete. So just so before deleting, we just need to give the base point. Maybe somewhere it is moved means we can move exactly and control and purge it. So we can just purge all the items and save this model, purge all and close this and save this one. And after that, we go to the coordination drawing and XRF, attaching next XRF. So our next XRF is the ventilation. So just attach that one. So it will also come up over here. You can see there was some movement we need to do. So this is our base. So just to move it up to here. So all the ventilation drawings also come up over here, right? Then after that, you can just go to another file. Another file is which one? We have, for example, lighting. So go to open lighting and then go to model. Then you can delete all the unwanted files from here and unlock. Before that, just need to be mentioned this this one. Okay, this is our base point. Then unlock the extra the background. So delete that one. And after that, you can delete the ceilings also because we don't want to show it that one. And another one, this kind of lines and other things, you can delete it. Select similar and delete that one. Just select similar and delete. And these lines also we don't want. So select similar and delete it. And select similar, delete. So all the things we want to clean it up first. Okay, then only you can go for the coordination. So this is also you can delete it, delete. So first of all, clean all the things and then just save it this file and go to the coordination and just check extract, attach, then the lighting. Okay, then just open. Okay. So what will happen is that is also come up over here. So you want to just check it whether it was in exact position. So check that one. So it was in exact position. So that was fine. So see it all the dBs, lightings all are come up over here. So if you want to change the color of lighting, just go to here, layer, extra, and then expand this one and lighting. So we want all the lighting in one color. So I'm using this cyan color. So that will come to the cyan color. So you can see here clearly the lighting and other things. So next step is like another one of the file we need. So for example, AC. So just open AC. So then what we need to do, we just need to go to the model, delete all the things, just create one base point. If you are doing in a proper settings, then no need to get a base point. So here somewhat it was moved sometimes. So that's what I'm just changing that one. And yeah, once you setted this one, just save. Then come to our coordination drawing, XREF, attach. So then you can just select this one and you can do the things like this. So if you can check this one, so it was moved somewhere, right? So just moved here and attach it like this. So you can see all the XRFs are placed over here. Like you can see the piping, ducting, and other things are here. So if you want to close these textures and other things, you can delete that textures and you can give the proper text arrangement and other things. See the light, cable trays and other things are coming, means the ducting, piping. Then you can start the wherever it is clashing. Okay, for example, it's clashing somewhere, so you can adjust the text, adjust the lighting, piping, and other things. Different levels you can place it. So this is the method for taking. For example, we don't want to this textures. You can delete from here. All the textures you can delete, and you can make it that one also. So whatever the extra, whatever the systems you have, you need to create it that one also. Okay. So for example, here it is some drainage pipe also. So actually that was also need to be copied over here. So just I want to copy that file. Okay, so for example, I just want to make it that one. I'll just go to the folder. Wait, I just want to make copy the coordination for the drainage also. I'll just maybe 1 minute. I'm just copying the drainage file. So I'll just copy the drainage file, and this is our drainage file, and I just want to put it that one in our coordination here. So I'm just pasting that one. Then you can just rename this one. This is XRF for the drainage. XRF, XRF. Okay, so I just opening this one. And then another file also I just want to open drainage. So this is the drainage file. So just I need to clean it all this is the sections for the drainage, and before that I just want to delete all the unwanted files. I need to clean it that one. Okay, so I'm just checking this is the section drawing for the drainage. So if you someone need any help for the shop drawings, you can contact me. We are doing services for MEP buildings, making MEP shop drawings, electrical, lighting, power, and cable tech, containment, drainage, and water supply. We are doing that one also. So you can contact me for the MEP coordination work or any other shop drawings we are preparing. So just I want to make the base point first. Then I just want to unlock this. Okay, then delete this one. Then you can save this file and come to the our coordination model. So we need to arrange the textures and everything after. Okay. So just I'm attaching this one, and this is the drainage file. So just open that one. So it will come up over here. So this is our drainage, and you can see a lot of textures are clashing, right? So we need to arrange the textures is simply we can need to arrange it that one. So how to arrange that I will show you on the next tutorial. So this is for the how to attaching the XRFs, all the XRFs, and we need to clean the this one. And final look, it will come. I will show you one of the example for the drawing, uh, how it's look the final output. The output will come once you set up all the things. We need to create segregate uh, the model, and I just want to show you how it will look. So that's the 1 minute. I'll show you the model. It is opening. So if you need some help for creating coordination models or MEP top drawings, please contact me. So this is the outlook. It will come. This one, like we can arrange the things like this. Okay, for the text arrangement is like that, and we'll go for another one of the also. So just go here. I'll show you another one coordination model, coordination drawing also. You need to create the sections, arrangement of the cannot convert. So it will look like this. Okay, so all the text we need to arrange like this, different color. So now in our drawing, it is showing like all the textures are clashed, right? So that we don't want. So we need to make it like properly the text arrangement like this. So then the legends we need to put over here. After that, we can create these sections, how it's look like all the sections we need to create it like this. Okay, all the pipes need to be arranged properly, and the ducting, cable trays, if it's coming cable trays, that also need to be arranged in the proper sections and other things. So this is the method using the coordination drawings in AutoCAD. So if you like my video, please subscribe it. And if you need any services for the electrical, mechanical shop drawings and BIM modeling, so please contact me. I have given the in the descriptions. I am giving all the details. So please contact me. Thanks for watching. Thank you. If you have any comments or anything, just contact me. Thanks. Thanks for watching. And you can go here. And in the next class, next sections, I will teach you how to segregate the textures and other things. So clearly, I will show you the one section drawing how we can prepare it, and these textures how we can beautifully arrange it. That I will show you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.